Hi there, I'm Daniel, founder and CEO of Buburuza, and today I would like to talk to you about what we're building. The way money moves today is outdated. People across the world are still filling in forms, hopping from app to app, and waiting for systems to catch up to their intentions. And banking didn't evolve with the internet, it just moved online. Meanwhile, AI systems are getting faster, smarter, more autonomous, but none of them can truly act reliably. They can draft, summarize, roughly calculate, but when it comes to transacting, they still hit a wall. That's the gap we are closing. We're creating a platform that understands what needs to be done and does it, instantly across currencies, systems, and jurisdictions.
Hi, my name is Oliver. I am co-founder and CTO of Buburuza. On the search for the newest and most innovative technology providers, I often found myself caught up in complex cross-border purchase procedures, arguing both with my bank and the receiving party. But with Buburuza, it gets as easy as pushing a button. Let's say uploading a contract to pay for research studies on AI in Japan. And I want to pay in crypto, which by the way is possible with Buburuza. And as you can see, the multi-agentic transaction engine B1 instantly recognized an opportunity to optimize the transaction and saved me over $100 worth of fees. After I confirmed and executed the transaction, B1 noticed the transaction is due monthly and offered me to create a schedule for that, which is added both into my transactions and my calendar for reminders. Let's be honest, if that isn't how modern banking is supposed to work, then I don't know what is. It's easy, it's intuitive, it's smart.
As you can see, we've already come pretty far in terms of convenience. But it's not as simple as just integrating an LLM on top of an app. As a financial product, Buburuza must stay secure and compliant. And most modern tools break the moment they touch something outdated like a Word document that needs to be filled out. A sleek, friendly interface of a modern app still has to communicate to the old systems traditional banks use, and at that point the user experience breaks. We could not let it happen, so we built our own AI compliance engine from scratch.
When doing any transactions, the biggest headache often starts after you did the wire and already forgot about it. Suddenly, you receive an email saying, "Warning, compliance review. Please provide evidence on all transactions from half a year ago." But again, not anymore. Buburuza's intelligent compliance engine B1 remembers all the good memories you had together and is ready to use them for any compliance review, being a simple AML screening or a more complex tax review. B1 provides you with pre-filled forms based on your precise transaction history. You just need to review and confirm. If any questions are left, they can be easily sorted in a humane, conversational manner, because the AI engine is not built to harass you. It's here to help.
As you can see right now, I'm in the middle of nowhere. No signal, no service line, no support. Literally nothing around me. But I am not worried, because Buburuza doesn't panic when I cross a border. But even if something happens, I can always fix any issues as simply as just talking about them. Hey B1, I'm traveling. Adjust your security settings and prioritize safe vendors. That's what secure should feel like, invisible when it works. Also, text my concierge to book a massage session when I get back to the hotel. Should be in around an hour or so. Yes. We also have an amazing worldwide concierge service built into the app, and it's that simple to use. Lots of behind-the-scenes processing is going on to make sure it works as smoothly as it does.
How often do you hear about accounts getting hacked and funds being stolen? Every single day, right? In fact, just last year alone, billions of dollars of funds got stolen or lost due to cybersecurity issues. That's why I say when it comes to financial security, it shouldn't be anything but perfection. For us, it means the following. First of all transactions, all documents, all actions are tracked and proven on our proprietary Buburuza blockchain. Immutable, decentralized, following the highest security standards outlined in PCI DSS, SOC 2 and ISO standards. Secondly, AI risk scoring. B1 is constantly monitoring all public sources to instantly rate any provider that you try to engage with. And third, and most important, B1 is also constantly monitoring all reliable news sources and analyzing fraud trends and methodologies to give you personalized alerts, because knowledge is the first step to prevention.
As you can see, our goal is to make finance run itself. So we're not exactly building a banking app. We're working on something much more exciting. We call it AI money. Not because it sounds trendy in 2025, but because it's the only kind of smart money that makes sense in a world where intelligence is starting to act on our behalf. Well, that intelligence is here. Welcome to Buburuza.